What if the signs are there but no one notices? Some signs of bipolar disorder are mostly mistaken for personality. Bipolar disorder can mostly go unnoticed because the signs are often misunderstood. Here are some 5 signs that may be associated with bipolar disorder. The first one, extreme mood swings. Second, periods of high energy and little sleep. Third, risky or impulsive behaviors. The fourth one, deep sadness or loss of interest. The last one will be feeling overly confident one moment and hopeless the next moment. Please take note, having these signs doesn't automatically mean someone has bipolar disorder, but understanding the signs can help someone to seek support sooner. This is Healing Beyond Silence. Follow us for more mental health tips.